Hi there, thanks for clicking on the video. I'm Pete. So a couple of months ago I discovered, not literally, ChatGPT, and I've been mildly obsessed with it ever since. So I was thinking of ideas for videos, and I thought, why don't I let ChatGPT organise my day out where I can make a video? So that's pretty much what I've done. I live in the west of Cumbria and I didn't want to go to the Lake District, so I just asked it for a itinerary for a day doing a round trip. So that's what we're going to do tomorrow, starting fairly early, and I don't know where we're going yet, so let's go and have a day out somewhere. Right, catch you in the morning. Morning. So it's the morning after. I do know that we're going to Carlisle, so we're going to go there now and park up, and then we'll have a look on my phone and see what we're going to do first. So we'll catch you when we get to Carlisle. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so we just parked up in Carlisle. So I'm just going to see where we're going first. Let's have a look. Morning. Carlisle Castle. Start your day by visiting Carlisle Castle, which is a history dating back to Roman times. Explore the medieval fortress, learn about its role in various conflicts, and enjoy the scenic views from the battlements. Right, let's go and do that. So we're just taking a walk around the battlements. I'm assuming you can get all the way around. Views over the city are fantastic. Plus it's really early in the morning. The place has just opened, so it's nice and quiet at the moment. So I think we'll go and explore some of the bits and bobs. There's like a tower, and seems to be like loads of little nooks and crannies, and a couple of museums as well, military museums. So I think we're just going to do a circuit of the battlements and then go inside. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to film because it's the couple of rooms I've already been in, it's quite dark, so but, you know. So that imposing structure in the front is the keep. I'm not sure if you can get up on the roof, but we'll see. We're going to go in and have a look anyway. It's really impressive inside the walls. You know, it's not Edinburgh Castle, but it's still pretty cool. See if we can get a view over the city. So we're in clear sight of Carlisle Cathedral, just over there. I think maybe when we go and get something to eat later, we might just have a quick wander in. I don't know where we're going next, so I'm sure we've got 20 minutes to have a look in the cathedral. Okay, let's carry on and have a look in the keep. well, as car parks go, it's pretty good. So we're surrounded by all these buildings, and at various points in time there were various regiments stationed here. But now some of them are museums, are military museums, so we're going to go in and take a quick look. What time are we on? Just gone 11. I'm just kind of conscious of the time because I don't know where we're going next, and you know, we're going to be fighting daylight at some point. Right, let's have a look in here. Well, that was really good. I enjoyed it. It's got quite a checkered history. Carlisle Castle, from imprisoning Mary Queen of Scots in the 16th century to stationing various battalions during the First World War, up to the Royal Border Regiment, who was stationed here till quite recently. The military museum was particularly good. So yeah, tick. So let's see where we're going next. Okay. So 2. Tully House Museum and Art Gallery. After the castle, head to the nearby Tully House Museum and Art Gallery. It's just over the road. This museum houses a whole range of historical artifacts and art collections showcasing the history and culture of the region. Right then, it's just over here. That's really good. Right, let's go. Coffee. So I thought I'd come out here on the viewing gallery at Tully House, because you get a great view of Carlisle Castle just across the road. It's a busy place. Right, we're going to go back in and we're going to see if we can film some stuff in the museum, because it's been quite difficult up till now. There's been kind of people sat in there and they kind of don't look like they want you to film, even though there's no signs that says don't. But yeah, we're going to go back in and have a look. So Tully House, that was really good. I didn't spend enough time in there, but you know, we're kind of on a bit of a timeline here. I'm just going to have a walk in here. It's beautiful. So I'm going to head into Carlisle and get a sandwich or something, because I'm starting to flag and it's lunchtime. And then we're going to have a look and see where we're going next. I'm going to get a sandwich and then have a look. Right, let's head into Carlisle. I'm going to go to the cathedral as well, because it's just up the road and I can't resist a church. So I'm just doing a pointless circle around the garden at the minute. Right, cathedral, sandwich. Okay, so we're back at the car. We've been to the castle and Tully House and the cathedral, got something to eat. Now I've just had a look, and what have we got next? Bird Oswald Roman Fort. Visit Bird Oswald Roman Fort along Hadrian's Wall. This well-preserved fort offers insights into the Roman history of the region. Explore the ruins, blah de blah de blah, and then we might have a walk, I think. So yeah, so I've got it in the sat nav. It's 16 miles away, so let's go there and I'll bring you back when I'm there. Right, see you in a minute. So here we are, Bird Oswald Roman Fort. I don't know anything about it, so let's go and have a look. My goodness, what a godforsaken place. Maybe it's just me, but I'm quite underwhelmed actually. So it was £10 to get in here, excuse the wind noise. And they charge for parking as well, £4, so 14 quid. I think it's a bit much personally. Maybe I shouldn't have come in here and just went for a walk along the wall, I don't know. But so I think we're going to go and have a look at the actual wall down here. Oh god, it's so cold. Thanks ChatGPT. So apparently this is the commander's house, the commander of the garrison, who lived in a large house surrounded by a courtyard and gardens. It don't look that big, but yeah, cool. So if you don't want to pay like I just did and see the underwhelming fort, you can just park up here. It will cost you £4 and then just go and have a look at Hadrian's Wall. And I would rather do that than what I've just done, to be honest. Right, let's go down here. At least you get a sense of the scale of what they did. Right, so I think we're just going to continue to the brow of this hill over here. See how cold we are and then probably just come back. I'll spin you around. Okay, that was good and bad. So where to next? End your day with a visit to Penrith Castle. Penrith Castle was built at the end of the 14th century by Ralph Neville, who played a key role in the defence of the Scottish borders. Right then, let's get back in the sat-nav and go to Penrith. We'll catch you there. I want some chips.
Keep straight on this road.
Well, I didn't think we were going to hit the motorway today, but here we go. How far we got? 19 miles. Okay. Let's put some tunes on. Here we are at our last stop of the day, Penrith Castle, owned by English Heritage, and they don't charge to get in. Wow. Right, let's go and have a look inside. I'm going to go that way. So anyways, the castle was built at the end of the 14th century by Ralph Neville, who played a key role in the defence of the Scottish borders. And he was granted the manor of Penrith in 1396 and built the castle soon afterwards. It's kind of, it's not in as good a nick now, as you can see. But it's still kind of fairly interesting. I'm not really planning on spending a lot of time here, it's just a quick look. But you can see it was an imposing building at one point with all the towers and stuff. I'm just going to hop up here. Oh! I bet it was quite impressive when it was a whole building. So in 1471 the castle was granted to Richard, Duke of Gloucester, who later became King Richard III. Interesting. Well, super short visit, there wasn't a lot to see. So that's our last stop of the day. I know I said I didn't want to go to the Lake District, but Keswick is on the way home, so we're going to stop in Keswick and get some food. So I think we're going to head back to the car and drive through the Lake District. I'll take some shots out of the car, take some footage out of the car, because it's a beautiful drive from Penrith to Keswick. Somebody's had a fire. What's going on? Right, so we'll catch you on the road. See you in a minute. Well, I was hoping to show you some spectacular views of the Lake District mountains, but I think this is as much as you're getting. It's well clouded. Oh, look at that. It's still nice, isn't it, you know? Well, I am absolutely stuffed, so I'm gonna go home, and when I park up I'll kind of give you my thoughts on what happened today. So we'll catch you back home. So we've just pulled up at home. That's it. It feels like it's been a long day actually, but it's been a good day. I've been to places that I wouldn't normally go. I've never been to Hadrian's Wall since I was at school, and that was such a long time ago. So it was really good, and it was just a little experiment to see if ChatGPT could come up with a bit of a worthwhile itinerary, and that definitely happened. So yeah, we had a great day. My only little gripe, if you can call it that, was some of the places were owned by English heritage, and they just seemed to be cashing in big time. You know, the fort of Bert Oswald, it was £11 to get in, and they charge £4 for parking as well. So, you know, it feels like they're money grabbing. I don't know how much money they make a year, and I know they've got to maintain places, but yeah, that kind of left a bit of a bitter taste. But overall, great day, doing something that I wouldn't normally do. So if you made it this far, thanks very much for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you did like what you see, what you've seen, and we'll catch you next time when we'll be doing something else. I don't know what yet. Catch you later. Bye now.